Hello. All right. Today I'm going to jump in and talk to you guys about stones, crystals, rocks, whatever you want to call them. I'm going to show you how you can cleanse your crystals. There's a bunch of different ways. This just happens to be one of them. And so there are certain crystals that are self-cleansing. I believe kyanite is one, selenite, and my little tiny piece of citrine. All right, those are self-cleansing. So there's a couple of things you could do. I'm going to put down my citrine since that's self-cleansing. And I'm talking about this quartz. It's actually quartz with citrine on the bottom. But anyway, let's pretend. Quartz can also be used to cleanse other stones, but they need to be cleansed too. So this is my quartz. I just used it to cleanse some stones, and then I'm going to take my citrine wand. You see this thing? Thing's huge. It's like as big as my head. Anyway, I'm going to take my wand. I'm going to set my intention, and my intention is to cleanse this quartz crystal of all negativity. I'll just say all negativity. We'll leave it at that. And then I literally take it and I just brush it. Flip it over, and that's all. Literally, maybe if I do it this way, that's all you have to do. Or as an example, I have on green aventurine, amethyst. This is green aventurine. This is amethyst, and I can't remember what this one is. I always forget. Amazonite. I want to cleanse them. That's it. I rid them of all negativity, and they only bring in light and love. That's simple. You could also leave them. Well, I wouldn't leave any of those in the sunlight because some do fade, but you can leave them in the moonlight on a full moon. That goes for any of your crystals. Whether you wear them, they just sit someplace, any of them. But you don't need to do, like I said, citrine, selenite, and I believe it's kyanite. Those are self-cleansing. So the other way you could do it, which is kind of cool, is this big piece of flat selenite. It's a little thick. I only paid a couple of bucks for it. I didn't pay a lot of money for this. I got it in Connecticut, and I cannot think of the name of the shop, but I'm sure one of my friends will chime in. Pelham Grayson, I think is the name of it, or Grayson Pelham. Always say it wrong. So I got this one. I actually think I got this one there too. So anyway, I take this, I lay it down someplace, and I will take my black tourmaline, or maybe this is kyanite. Black kyanite. I think it's black tourmaline. My shungite. Yeah, amazonite. Apparently I like all the ites. This is some green calcite. And then this is fluorite, but it's really, honestly, kind of a crappy piece. You can't even see the purple and the green in it. Maybe you can, but barely. I rest them there. And you can leave them there for as little as 15 minutes, as long as overnight, whatever. Whenever you feel like they're done, they're done. I usually stay overnight. I think that's probably better. So, that's that. That's how simple it is. You too can cleanse your stones, and you should. You should cleanse them often, depending on how often you use them. So if you use them every day and they're in your pockets and they're in your bra and they're, on your body, they need to be cleansed, and they need to be cleansed regularly. Once a week would probably be good. Honestly, I probably do it once a month. All of mine need to be cleansed. I missed the full moon this month. I don't know, I was on another planet apparently. So I'm actually going to take off all of my crystal beads. I'm going to go throw them down on that piece of flat selenite and let them charge up the best I can for like 15 minutes because I feel naked without my stuff. And then I'm going to plop them back on, and they're going to be fully charged, ready to roar and to go. So that's it. It's just that simple. Like I said, there are bunches of other ways, but that's just one for today. I hope you all have a great day.